Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to use TeamViewer, the free version, to connect with anybody, your friends, your family, your mom, your dad. How many times were you at someone's house and they said, boy, I need your help to do this. Well, now you can. So what you can do is you can download TeamViewer for them, put it on their desktop, and the next time they have trouble, tell them to call you and say, hey, give me a call and then we'll use TeamViewer to fix it. So let's get started. So go ahead and copy the link in the description, paste it in whatever browser you want to use, and then go ahead and click download TeamViewer. In this case, I'm doing it on the Mac. I will show you in just a few minutes or just a minute or so on how to install it with the Windows operating system. So once the application is downloaded, we're going to go ahead and double click it. Once you see the box pop up here, you can go ahead and double click the little box in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and hit continue. And continue again. You can read the license agreement if you want. Go ahead and hit agree. You can change the location if you want to, but I would leave it the same and hit install. Of course, it's going to ask you for your password, so go ahead and type that in. So once it's done, go ahead and hit close. You can hit move to trash. It'll just move the installer to the trash can. So here we're going to go ahead and hit close. If it doesn't actually pop up by itself, just go ahead and click the TeamViewer icon in the menu bar, and it should pop up like this. And this is what you should see. You should see your ID and password. So it's pretty simple. The other user downloads and installs the application just like you did. Now you both should be at this screen. If you're helping them, then they give you their ID, which is this right here, and the password. If they're helping you, then you're going to give your ID and your password. And it's pretty self-explanatory. So now I'm going to show you how to install it on a Windows operating system. It's slightly different. So Windows users, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to copy the link from the description below and paste it in the browser. Go ahead and download for free. And then go ahead and open. So go ahead and click accept and hit next. Go ahead and accept the user account control setting. I'm doing this in real time just to show you that it's fairly quick installer. Okay, now you're going to get this pop-up. I accept the EULA. Go ahead and check the box, and because if you say no to this, it's just going to close on you. Okay, so now that we have TeamViewer installed, so this is the easy part, really. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the Your ID that I have right here, and I'm going to implement it on my Windows 10 PC right now and see if we can connect. I'm going to type in the password exactly the way I see it here. I believe they are case sensitive. And then I'm going to hit log in. So you really can't see what I'm seeing. So But typically, if I were to try to connect you and I see a gray box or just a gray screen and I don't see the desktop background, you go to TeamViewer. I'm going to go to Preferences. And when you connect, you can dictate how you want to see things. So under Remote Control, you have this checked. If you have this checked, remove Remote Wallpaper. You can leave it, but when you connect to somebody else, their screen is going to be gray. And you'll still see their desktop, but if you don't want to get the gray screen or the gray box, you can go ahead and just uncheck this, hit apply, and that's it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close out of this connection, and I'm going to go ahead and connect to my PC, my Windows 10 PC from the Mac. So let's go ahead and click here. And now I'm going to put my partner ID from my other PC in. I'm going to hit enter. So the password here. And these are always temporary passwords. So now we're making the connection. So had we not changed that one setting, we can go into Preferences and we'll see if we can hit apply and then close, and then we'll go ahead and do the reconnection and see if the desktop is grayed out now. Well, in this case, it's just blacked out. But as you can see, the information that you need to see, and you'll be able to help the person. Well, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with everybody, and most of all, have a great day. Thank you.